In this lesson, we're going to discuss a theme and provide you with tools so you can identify and develop your theme for your film.
Theme is one of the most underrated, also one of the most complicated elements or story tools that I work with.
A theme in the story ties to your values and what you believe in life. The deeper you connect with the theme, the more you will be able to tell your story and the more passionate you will be about it. Knowing the theme is knowing the value, what the story represents for you. And that means when you make the film, you will never get tired and always be passionate about your story because theme connects you to yourself.
So theme always comes in the form of a question. So a theme can be light will conquer darkness, or putting it in a form of a question, what can happen if light doesn't conquer darkness?
The end goal of working with a theme is trying to find the question in it, the past. Turning that into a question could sound like, why can't we learn from our past mistakes? And as we develop that question, that theme even further in this example, into an even better question, what is the cost in the present time of not learning from past mistakes? So another example could be, let's take adventure. What quality do we need to see the adventure in everyday life? That could be a theme. So now we turn that concept of adventure into a question. So just like that, we want to start to think generally, very broadly about a theme. It could be redemption, it could be innocence, it could be adventure. And then we take that concept and we polish it and think about it while we work on our film, with the end goal in mind of turning it slowly into a question.